Hi, my name is Akhil Patel. I am discussing about matrix transformations. I am from aeronautical engineering. Using matrices to transform geometric shape with formulation representation lesson quiz. Formula indices operator 1, 2, 3. Objectives: use matrices to transform a plane figure. Vocabulary: transformation, matrix reflection, matrix rotation, matrix. You can describe the position, shape and size of the polygon and a coordinate plane by naming the order pair that define its vertices. The vertices of triangle ABC below are A, B, C. You can also define triangle with matrices coordinate x and coordinates y. A translation matrix is a matrix used to transform coordinates on the coordinate plane. The vertices sum of a pair image and a translation gives the coordinates of the translated image. Reading example 1: using matrices to transform a figure. Translate triangle ABC with the coordinates ABC units left 4 and 4 units up. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the image and graph. The transla matrix will have 3 x coordinates, all written in row, and y in 1 and 4 in all written in 2 rows. Example 1: continued ABC. The image of ABC have coordinates a minus 5 comma 5 0 comma 6 minus 3 comma 1. Check out example. Translation triangle GHJ with coordinates G2 comma 4 H3 comma 1 J1 comma minus 1 3 units right and 1 unit down. Find the coordinates of the vertices of a measured graph. The transform matrix will have 3 x coordinates and all in 1 row and y coordinates minus 1 in all entire 2 rows. Check it out. Example 1: continued GHJ and the image and have coordinates 5 comma 3 6 comma 0 4 comma minus 2. The addition is a transformation that scales, enlarges, reduces the parameter, result in similar figure. Remember that for similar figure shape it is same but the size may have different. Assume that the origin is the center of dilation. Example 2: using matrices to enlarge a figure. Enlarge triangle ABC with coordinates 2 comma 3 1 comma minus 2 minus 3 comma 1 by factor of 2. Find the coordinates of the vertices of image and graph. Multiplied each coordinate by 2 by multiplying each entry by 2 x coordinate y coordinate. Example 2: continued triangle ABC. The image of ABC have coordinates 4 comma 6 2 comma minus 4 and 6 comma minus 6 comma 2. Check it out. Example 2: enlarge DF with the coordinates 2 comma 3 5 comma 1 and minus 2 comma minus 7. A factor of find coordinates of vertices of image and graph. Multiplied each coordinate by multiplying each term by. Check it out. For example, to continue DEF, the image of DEF calculation matrix multiplication is not so be sure to keep the transformation matrix of left. Example 3: matrices of figure a triangle PQR with coordinates P2 comma 2Q and 4 comma 3 across the axis. Find the coordinates of vertices of the image and graph. Each x coordinate in multiply by minus 1 and each y coordinate in multiply by 1. Examples continued by coordinates of the vertices of image and PQR. Check it out. For example, figure out the x-axis multiplied by referral triangle JQL by coordinates 3 comma 4 2 comma 1 1 comma minus 2 across the x-axis. Find the coordinates of vertices of image and graph. Check it out. Example 3: the coordinates of vertices of image JKL A rotation matrix is a matrix used to rotate a figure. Example 4 gives several type of rotational matrices. Example 4 using matrix A. Rotate a figure. Use such each matrix to rotate polygon ABCD with coordinates ABCD 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 about the origin. Direction anti-clockwise B and with image ABCD is rotated 90 clockwise. Example 4 coordinates, check it out. Example 4 use rotate triangle ABC with coordinates 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, -3 about the origin. Graph and describe the image 0, 0, -4, 0, 0, 3. The image is rotated 180. Check it out. Example 4 continued. Let's quiz. Transformation triangle PQR with vertices -1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 3. For each show the matrices transformations. This is about the matrix transformation that we have discussed in all these 28 points. Reflection across the x-axis clockwise direction. So this is about matrix transformations, and thank you.